I've never delivered a package like this before.
Yes, the biggest one we've carried so far on board.
Some package, all right.
Well,
When will we arrive?
if the weather's on our side, tomorrow morning.
Floyd, shame on you.
Sorry, got a terrible cold.
Please, when you sneeze, you must always cover your beak.
I always tell him to.
A cold? But the weather's wonderful.
Maybe the water in this bucket is too cold.
Oh, what a lovely journey.
So refreshing, I feel like a new person.
What is that?
That was Floyd. He's got a very bad cold.
We really must tell him to sneeze more discreetly. He could make it fall.
Fall? What? Who?
Look, see how it's really leaning over.
Goodness gracious!
Watch out! Look where you're going!
Oh my God! Oops, missed it.
Oh, expertly handled, huh?
Here we are in Pisa, just in time as I scheduled. Feathers up! Feathers up! Humphrey, Floyd? Humphrey, Floyd, ready to dock? Come on!
Ready? Oh. Humphrey, did you hear that? Where are you?
Get me out of here. How beautiful. And what a spectacularly nice day. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh.
What's wrong?
I feel dizzy.
Dizzy? That's not possible. How can a bird feel dizzy?
He's a special bird.
Well, yeah, he's special in his own way.
Don't you think it's strange that a bird would be afraid of heights?
I'm not scared of heights. I don't know what happened, and maybe I'll feel better now. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh.
The Leaning Tower, that's what made him dizzy.
Humphrey, is it the tower that frightens you?
Nope. Oh.
Incredible.
hey, folks, great sunset. Ah, what are you guys up to? Uh-oh. Oh. I'm okay, it's just that I'm so excited. Every time I see a beautiful view, that happens to me.
I must say that it's really gorgeous.
Oh, parbleu, it's really breathtaking.
Dizzily astonishing.
What a sissy.
Maybe it's air sickness.
What? An airsick bird?
It's not that simple.
We'll sort it out tomorrow.
You'll feel better, don't worry.
What a terrible storm.
Something hit us.
We're losing altitude.
Quick, the plane's carrying too much weight. Have to lighten up somewhere.
Oh la la, a storm! I'll have a dizzy, stormy night. Let's hope it won't be long.
Relax. What more could possibly happen?
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est? Goodness!
Did you hear anything last night?
Don't worry, just a lot of thunder. Oh my, Floyd's cold is sure getting worse.
Hey, that wasn't me. Oh! See, I told you.
That didn't sound like a sneeze to me.
What is it?
Wow! Oh, parbleu! Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Must have gotten up there during the night.
Hey, it's moving.
A ghost!
Don't be silly. Ghosts don't exist.
As a matter of fact, I'm not a ghost.
Huh?
If you take this thing off of me, you'll see for yourselves.
Floyd, you think you can help out here?
Help? You mean me? How?
Just take the cover off.
Okay.
An elephant.
Hello there, I'm Elton.
Hi, Elton. We're the Bird Squad.
Could you tell me how you managed to get yourself stuck all the way up there?
That's a good question. I was going back to Africa on a plane when a storm arrived. Everything was jumping around the plane. I thought we were going to fall. At some point, the humans put this parachute on me and said, "Good luck," and pushed me out. And that flight was not fun either. Then I got stuck here. And I'll tell you, it's not comfortable. But at least I'm safe and sound.
Oh, Mama, what's happening?
I don't think you're safe and sound.
Also, the tower's not safe.
The Tower of Pisa hit by an elephant.
Quickly, we've got to get him down before something terrible happens.
Elton, be cool and don't worry. We'll help you. Come on, girls. Bird Squad. Feathers up.
All right then, feathers up.
Girls, Floyd, get the parachute.
Roger.
Raji, Roddy, I'm going.
Corky, Emily, Nat, push at the sides.
Let's go! All right, now let's try to push him together. 1, 2, 3.
Girls, Floyd, pull up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, pull.
He's too heavy.
Doris is right, we just can't do it, can we?
Help! Help!
Oh, I can't watch. We need a boost.
A boost? That reminds me of when I wanted to rest on a chimney top. Unfortunately, I didn't notice a lightning rod that made me jump up. Humphrey, you're a genius. Here's what you need to do.
Me? Do something? Huh?
Listen carefully.
No, I cannot fly. And
No excuses. Elton needs your help. Only you can pull this one off.
ready.
Corky, sure about that?
Well done!
Good job!
Hooray!
Mission complete.
We made it!
I've flown twice in one day.
A priceless experience for an elephant.
Humphrey is flying once again.
As I always say, flying is for the birds. Sorry, Penny.
I've got to find a way back to Africa. Come and visit me someday.
We will find a way for sure.
Oh, yes, we will.
Achoo!
Huh?
I'm sorry, I think my cold is back.
Bon voyage! We'll get back home safe and sound. Also, the tower's safe. That's what's important.
The important thing is to always brush your beak well.
Pisa, the dancing tower, the latest news. This morning, the Tower of Pisa swayed dangerously before straightening itself out. 2 early bird tourists claimed they saw an airship and an elephant flying around the tower who seemed to be at the root of this phenomenon. Both of the tourists are being held for observation while scientists are scurrying to unveil the truth behind this mysterious happening.